Yesterday, a breathtaking pillar of fire dramatically lit up the twilight sky above the Tanegashima Space Center, Japan. The launch site, a hub of innovation, witnessed a pivotal moment in space exploration history. It marked the final soaring flight of Japan's H2A rocket, a veteran of numerous space missions. This launch was not just an end, but a transition. After more than 2 decades of dedicated service, the H2A has become a symbol of Japanese engineering and reliability. Its legacy is etched in the annals of spaceflight. Its last mission was arguably its most urgent and vital, launching a cutting-edge climate satellite designed to meticulously watch over our rapidly changing planet. The stakes were undeniably high. This particular mission wasn't primarily about the allure of exploring distant worlds or venturing into the unknown reaches of our solar system. Instead, it was laser-focused on the critical task of safeguarding our own home, planet Earth, and ensuring its future for generations to come. Safely nestled inside the rocket's protective fairing, a state-of-the-art climate monitoring satellite was poised and ready to begin its crucial mission of observing Earth's fragile and interconnected systems. The launch represented both a fond farewell to a reliable workhorse and a hopeful new beginning for climate research and global understanding. It served as a powerful reminder of what becomes possible when we channel our ingenuity and technological prowess, not just to explore the cosmos, but to actively protect the precious world we inhabit. For a few fleeting, yet brilliant minutes, the H2A rocket transformed into a magnificent man-made star against the backdrop of the dark sky. Its ascent was a sight to behold, a final flawless performance that showcased the precision and reliability of the H2A program. On the ground, a palpable mix of pride and nostalgia washed over the faces of the engineers, scientists, and technicians who had dedicated years to the H2A program as they watched the end of a truly remarkable era. But their focus quickly shifted to the satellite itself and the critical data it would soon provide. The satellite was soon to join the ever-growing network of robotic guardians, constantly tracking and monitoring Earth's vital signs and overall health from the unique vantage point of space. Our planet is communicating with us, sending clear signals. It speaks through steadily rising temperatures across the globe, through the alarming rate of melting ice in the polar regions, and through the increasing frequency and intensity of wild and extreme weather events. To truly understand these complex changes, we urgently need precise and comprehensive global data. This new satellite represents our latest and most advanced eye in the sky, meticulously measuring the concentrations of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, monitoring the ever-changing temperatures of our oceans, and studying the intricate and interconnected systems that sustain all life on Earth. The wealth of data it provides will serve as a crucial guide, not just for scientists and researchers, but for all of us, empowering us to make informed decisions as we navigate the challenges of a rapidly warming world and seek sustainable solutions. The H2A's final act is more than just a launch, it's a powerful and enduring symbol. It represents a seamless transition, a reliable machine from an earlier era, delivering a cutting-edge tool designed to shape a more sustainable future. From the vantage point of orbit, we are reminded that we see not artificial borders or divisions, but a single, unified and interconnected world, constantly reminding us of the profound importance of this mission and the collective responsibility we share in protecting our beautiful, yet fragile planet. The H2A rocket is more than just a collection of hardware and advanced technology. It's a powerful symbol, representing Japan's unwavering reliability, its bold ambition, and its growing presence in the vast expanse of space exploration. Since 2001, it's been JAXA's dependable workhorse, the backbone of numerous critical missions. It was instrumental in enabling groundbreaking missions like the Hayabusa 2's daring asteroid sample return, a feat of precision and engineering. And it also propelled the Akatsuki Venus probe on its journey to unlock the secrets of our neighboring planet. With an impressive record of 48 consecutive successes, a testament to meticulous planning and execution, the H2A's legacy is firmly cemented as one of unmatched reliability in the demanding world of spaceflight. In the high-stakes arena of spaceflight, consistency isn't just preferred, it's absolutely everything. And the H2A consistently delivered, earning the trust and respect of partners worldwide through its unwavering performance. Each successful launch further solidified Japan's reputation for unparalleled engineering excellence, and significantly deepened its crucial role in collaborative global space activities and initiatives. Its well-deserved retirement isn't a reflection of failure or inadequacy, but rather a natural step forward in the relentless march of progress. The H2A was undoubtedly a remarkable product of its specific time and technological context, complex and costly to build, and increasingly facing stiff competition from newer, more streamlined, and cheaper rocket designs. The evolving future of space exploration demands a higher launch frequency, all while striving for significantly lower operational costs. And so, we welcome the arrival of the H3 rocket, meticulously designed from the ground up to be significantly cheaper, remarkably more versatile, and substantially faster to manufacture and deploy. The H2A's final flight is not a sad ending, but a dignified and honorable conclusion, a veteran's last and vital mission, carrying a cutting-edge climate observation satellite of critical importance to our understanding of the planet. Retiring a consistently successful system is always bittersweet, evoking a sense of nostalgia, but it's absolutely necessary to pave the way for future innovation and progress. The invaluable lessons learned and the wealth of experience gained from the H2A are directly built into the very DNA of its advanced successor. This last momentous launch serves as a truly fitting bookend to an era, a grand and unforgettable finale for one of rocketry's most triumphant and successful chapters in history. The torch of space exploration now confidently passes to a new and exciting generation of technology and innovation. The final H2A carried GOSAT-GW, marking a significant step forward in our ability to monitor and understand the complexities of Earth's climate. A satellite with a vital mission, a mission that extends beyond simple observation. It's about providing actionable intelligence to deliver the clearest picture yet of climate change's drivers, offering unprecedented detail and accuracy. We're in a critical decade, a period where the choices we make will define the future of our planet. Decisions now will echo for centuries, shaping the world for generations to come. The urgency is undeniable. To act wisely, we need the best data, the most comprehensive and reliable information available. Not just from the ground, where observations are limited, but from space, offering a global perspective. GOSAT-GW carries two main instruments, sophisticated tools designed to unravel the complexities of our changing climate. A spectrometer to measure greenhouse gases like CO2 and methane, with unparalleled precision, and a radiometer to track the global water cycle, observing its intricate patterns and changes. It can pinpoint emissions from cities, identifying major sources of pollution, forests, monitoring their health and the impact of deforestation, or power plants, tracking their emissions and holding them accountable, and monitor water vapor, soil moisture, and snow cover, providing crucial data for understanding regional climate variations. This detail is crucial. Climate change isn't uniform, it manifests differently across the globe. And regional data helps target solutions, allowing for tailored strategies to address specific challenges. Knowing where methane leaks or droughts are emerging in real time lets governments and industries act faster, implementing targeted interventions and mitigation strategies. The satellite turns Earth into a laboratory, a vast and complex system under constant observation, feeding data into global climate models for better predictions, enhancing our ability to anticipate future climate scenarios. Reliable data means better warnings and smarter policies, leading to more effective climate action. GOSAT-GW is a truth teller, a source of unbiased information in a world often clouded by misinformation, providing objective, verifiable information that cuts through debate, fostering a more informed and productive dialogue. It holds nations accountable for their climate pledges, ensuring transparency and progress towards global goals. In a world facing climate crisis where the stakes are higher than ever before, a clear view from space is not a luxury, it's essential for understanding the challenges and guiding our response. This mission is about survival, not just science, it's about safeguarding the future of our planet and all its inhabitants. The satellite's perspective is a tool for action, empowering us to make informed decisions and build a more sustainable future. It may seem like magic, a satellite hundreds of kilometers up, revealing the air we breathe. But its science satellites like GOSAT-GW are sophisticated light detectors orbiting pole to pole to scan the globe. They don't take photos like a camera, instead, they measure how sunlight, reflected from Earth, is altered by gases in the atmosphere. Each gas absorbs specific wavelengths, leaving a unique fingerprint. The spectrometer detects these revealing concentrations of CO2 or methane. For temperature and moisture, the radiometer listens for faint microwave energy radiated by Earth. Scientists turn these signals into detailed maps of carbon, sea ice, or ocean currents. The data is corrected, calibrated, and shared globally. These maps are the foundation for understanding and responding to a changing world. Japan's commitment to climate research is personal. Its geography makes it vulnerable to typhoons, floods, and rising seas. This urgency has made Japan a leader in climate monitoring technology. GOSAT-GW is the third in a series of satellites tracking greenhouse gases from space, building on pioneering missions since 2009. Japan freely shares its data, recognizing climate change as a global challenge. Its scientists turn raw satellite numbers into actionable insights, developing models that guide policy worldwide. Collaboration is key. Japanese experts work with international partners to solve the climate puzzle. The data from GOSAT-GW will inform the UN's climate assessments and the Paris Agreement's progress checks. Japan's investment in space is scientific diplomacy, providing the evidence needed for global cooperation. In doing so, it helps drive ambitious climate action on a worldwide scale. The GOSAT-GW satellite's data is a gift to the world, empowering nations to confront climate change. For developing countries, this information is a lifeline, helping predict floods, droughts, and protect food security. Farmers can use soil moisture data to adapt crops. Communities can prepare for extreme weather. The satellite also helps protect biodiversity, tracking ocean temperatures and methane sources to guide conservation. It provides the overview needed to manage global commons, oceans, atmosphere, and forests. The atmosphere knows no borders. Shared data is the foundation for shared solutions. GOSAT-GW offers a common, objective view, a baseline for a more sustainable future. It's proof that space technology can be our ally in protecting home. The H2A's final flight marks the dawn of Japan's H3 rocket era. The H3 is a complete redesign, cheaper, faster, and more flexible, ready for the demands of modern spaceflight. Its new LE-9 engine and modular design allow launches of all sizes, from heavy satellites to constellations. After early setbacks, the H3 has proven itself with a successful return to flight. It will now handle Japan's flagship missions, from science probes to space station resupply. This shift is strategic, aiming for a bigger share of the global launch market and ensuring independent access to space. The H3 builds on H2A's legacy, carrying Japan's ambitions into the future. It's the vehicle for a new era of exploration and discovery. Seeing Earth from space changes everything. Astronauts call it the overview effect. Satellites like GOSAT-GW give us a taste of that perspective, showing our planet's beauty and vulnerability. This mission, delivered by H2A's final flight, is about turning our cosmic curiosity back toward home. We use space technology to diagnose Earth's health and evolution of exploration's purpose. The data reveals our planet's intricate connections and the consequences of our actions. With knowledge comes responsibility to act, to cooperate, to protect what we see from above. The H2A's last descent and the satellite's watchful eye remind us our greatest challenge is caring for home. The tools we built to explore the universe now help us save our world. The thin blue line of atmosphere is our most precious wonder, and it's our duty to protect it.